OC Wellness now offers Kybella, an injectable treatment that targets fat below the chin.
Have you heard? For the first time ever, there's an injectable treatment for moderate to severe fat below the chin. The best part? It can be administered by your doctor right here in our office. The injection procedure takes 15 to 20 minutes and it doesn't require any surgery. Kybella deoxycholic acid injection is a first-of-its-kind injectable treatment that reduces fat under the chin or submental fullness for a contoured profile. No surgery required. Submental fullness can impact a broad range of adults, including both men and women. So, how does Kybella work? Kybella is a non-human and non-animal formulation of deoxycholic acid, a naturally occurring molecule in the body that aids in the breakdown and absorption of dietary fat. When injected under your chin, Kybella destroys fat cells, and once those cells are destroyed, they can no longer store or accumulate fat. The results of Kybella speak for themselves.